Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna check out something cool. It's a script that I made. Let me just show you. So basically, this script is essential for every RP server. It's a lightweight and compact script designed to deliver what your players exactly need. So basically, this script has so many features and startup RP server should have. We got the removal of GTA default stuff like HUDs, beds, generators, aim assist on controllers, health regen, and ambient sounds, those cars here in the background or shootouts or whatever. That's cool stuff. I didn't list too many here, but we got stuff like pointing with your finger or pressing B, real helicopter landing and takeoff. It will not be like fast for your landing and takeoff. It will take some time and it's gonna be realistic. I will show you some of the features over here. So for the installation, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Just go here and download it from the download here button. Go. Then you press on code and download the zip file. You open the zip file, open the zip file over here, and we have our resources. You open your FiveM directory where you have your files, resources, and here, and I'm gonna put it in Mamma Mia. So here we go. We just drag and drop the script over here, and we'll just remove the main and the front. Now we're gonna open the MMO smaller resources and go to config. Now we will see this config is pretty awesome. It has everything is plain to it, literally everything, and it's categorized to player actions, vehicle settings, HUDs and interface, density and spawner for the pets. You got the Discord RPC over here and so many stuff. So we can go over it. So if you want to enable disable PvP, the idle cams, hands up, health regen, crouch, disconnect, you could test it here. We have it on, so you can test it. The PID, so that shows the player ID when you toggle it with the left alt. You can change the keybinds as you can see here. Just choose the keybind whatever you want. Left control, page down, delete, page up, whatever you want. And here we got custom plates. I'll show you in a second. It's custom California plates. We got drive by and drive fast speed max limit and too many things. So yeah, let's open the server and test the script out. So here we go. We can check now the script. For example, we can check that you can shoot blind fire over here. You see, you can't. I'm pressing the left button. If I go like this, I can shoot, but I can't blind fire out of here. All right, another thing we can check too is the slash disconnect test. And you can see over here it says Medi ID1 disconnected, and the reason it was a disconnect example, so that was the reason. What else we can check? So for example, over here it's just spawned this car and it says California because it's a custom plate. We can try something else like shooting. I can shoot over here, but if I go over 30 miles per hour, you can see I can shoot, but if I brake, we can try it with a SMG, so it's better. Here we go. All the thing you can check is the weapon reticle. You can't really see the reticle. You don't know the crosshair where to shoot. Just have to like RP it out, so it's basically real life RPs. We just went over some of what script does. Of course, there's too many things as you can see here, blips and all. You can see the map. We have blips, still peer and FBI, the defaulted blips. We can change them. Everything you can change. It's an open source script. You can do whatever. Pull requests will be appreciated if you're generous enough. That's it for my small resources script. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you're into more tips for improving your RP server, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.